Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is another buy. Let me tell you a little bit of a story. So after I basically donated these two envoys that you've seen previously in one of my videos for the Army of Ukraine, so a couple of people collected a little bit of money, put it together, and sent it to me so I can buy more vehicles, specifically pickup trucks. They said that they get more use out of that. I had to go see a few of them, but the biggest criteria was full-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, like this vehicle is. Don't worry about the look of this car, please. This might not even be. These doors might have holes in them very soon, or even worse. I hope not, because this vehicle is gonna go in the same direction. This is a six-seater Ford F-150. I think it's 2002. It moves, it runs, has a big V8 engine. It's four-wheel drive, and the most important is it will fit up to 6 people in cargo, and you can do whatever with that. And it's gonna do its purpose. I had to travel for like over 2 hours to get this, and you know what, the gentleman that's in the video that I bought this from, he gave me a pretty good discount just because I bought it for the purpose that I did, that you know, of course. Yeah, little by little, you know, I'm not asking for discounts because you know, I'm taking it somewhere. I didn't even ask him, but this is how the person reacted. It was you know, you should see sometimes how these people smile. Yeah, when they hear it. And I tell them, listen, I'm going to document everything, so you will be able to follow, you know, that it went for a good cause. The vehicle went for for a good cause. So anyway, I don't know when they're gonna pick it up, but I'll continue as soon as the truck comes to pick it up and take it to port. It's actually another story that there are a little bit of some people, let's put it like this, some people are too much in their comfort and they don't understand how it is not to be in it until they are almost physically put up and put down in discomfort. So sometimes I get these little arguments with people that ask me stupid questions that stand aside. They actually, this whole situation in Ukraine bothers them, should be bothering them more than even me. And they're like, oh, okay, good job, boy. Okay. And the other ones that try to make my life difficult, I'm doing this work, this whole work, besides those 2 cars. I'm doing it for free. Yeah, and there are certain people that are in this chain of this process, you know, basically transporting cars. What in my situation, transporting cars. I understand you guys here for money and all that, but pressuring me for something. If I find a way of how to prepare paperwork by yourself, for sure, when you're getting money for that. If you need me to sign on something, I'll sign for it. That's referred basically to everybody who's in this process. You collecting money for something, do your job. If it's not your job, then say it up front. It's not my job. I'm not gonna do it, even if you pay me. I do it. I do things like that. People come to me and, oh, can you fix my car? Can you do this? Can you do that? They expect me to do it at least half price, if not a quarter of a price, than any other shop would do it. And I don't work as a vehicle mechanic for somebody, or I don't even have a mechanic shop. per se, my videos about car projects and stuff like that. It's other people helping me when I help them. I like to help people. I do like, even when I take money sometimes, I kind of like don't feel very good when I take money from people. But at the same time, like, at least in this matter, don't make it harder for me. We'll continue soon. Coming close, but it looks like it's starting to rain. So another half a mile. All it is just farms. Is that it? Damn. Ay. Transmission fluid is there. So I bought this pickup truck and I'm taking it to the base right now, and then probably in the next few days it's gonna go to the port and you know where. Right now I'm going to get underneath there, show you what happened, and I'm gonna see if I can try to repair this. I really need to move this on and off. It's big car, heavy, and I need the trailer today before this gets shipped. First thing we see right here, the exhaust is cut, and here it's cut. There was a catalytic converter here, going through here. So when they were cutting it off over here, thieves I'm talking about, they got the line, transmission line. It's right here. This is a high pressure line, so it's shooting liquid all over. I mean, transmission fluid. I have to try to see if I can repair this somehow. Okay, so up close here used to be another catalytic converter. So this thing is pretty loud. I got pipe cutter here, and I got all these fittings right here. I'm gonna try to see what I can do. I found I have fitting here that would work. So thanks to my friends from Hillside Service Station in Valhalla, New York, they are very helpful. They're very helpful, and actually they are extremely supportive. Yeah, so we're gonna do it like this. You know, it's the worst part here is that it's still leaking transmission fluid. Almost forgot. I need to put transmission oil in. Fluid oil, whatever it's called.
running, it's moving, but because of the exhaust system, it's very, very loud. And the most important thing, nothing is leaking, but I think it might need more transmission fluid.
Today is the day when that vehicle right there is going in the truck to the port and to Ukraine. Alright, let's load it up. It's a bit loud, but we're inside the Ford F-150 that's going on the trailer right now. It's a little bit difficult to deal with these drivers because sometimes they don't call, and then they call, okay, I'm here, but I can't do this, I can't do that. When you try to give them instructions, you cannot reach out to them. So anyway, let's see. Time to go to the port. I hope it helps them. This is the owner of ABC Roofing Company here in upstate New York. He's donating this truck to the army. So for Ukrainian army.
Go Ukraine.
So, you know, he's shy to be on the video, but we gotta do this. It's okay. It's gonna move. It's gonna move later when they start with it.
You still got inspection for 2023.
Oh yeah, in New Jersey. Yeah, they definitely need that in Ukraine, inspection. This truck might not even survive that long.
Neutral?
Huh?
They need power to go neutral?
Yeah, for the safety. Safety is in, I think, shifter and a brake solenoid. Yeah, this is a modern vehicle. What did you expect?
Yeah, I just gotta see which one is which because they're both 2005. I don't want to give you a wrong one.
That's the one with New Jersey title. Hold on. Okay. All right. Now let's let's pull it now. A little more. Extra. So I borrowed this pickup truck. Nice, right? With a push bar. I borrowed it from my friends from Hillside Service Station, Golf Station in Valhalla, New York. By the way, don't you forget that. They are really very, very good people. They repair cars like non-stop. They well known in this neighborhood and pretty good mechanics. They're the ones that I guarantee you will not try to rip you off or sell you something that you don't need. So anyway, they lent me this pickup truck because mine has some issues, whatever. And I'm going right now to pick up an engine. I don't know what kind of engine it is. The guy says it works and everything's fine, but he's not selling it as a perfect engine. He's selling it basically just something that might need work. For this pickup truck that my friend Tony from ABC Roofing Company, location of that place, it's New York City, I think Staten Island, and another location is Washingtonville, New York, I think. Yeah, so anyway, he donated this pickup truck for us to give to the army. Anyway, I'm gonna record more as I get close to my destination where the engine is. Stay tuned. I was following this guy into the parking lot, and then I asked him to take a picture. He did. I came out, the car is still here. Okay, so I strapped the engine as much as I could. Unfortunately, I don't think I was very prepared, but I'm here. Thank you to these guys, Limitless Towing and Repair. They gave me a great discount of, I would say, about 50-60%. It's funny that I've been traveling right now to pick up this engine for the past hour and almost 20 minutes. No, yes, something like that. Almost an hour and a half. Anyway,
Every gas station that I stop at that sell food, drinks, and all other stuff do not let you use their bathrooms. That's kind of weird to me. You're selling coffee, you're selling water, you're selling food. No, bathrooms out of order. That's all they tell you. However, almost by my destination, like literally right around the corner, I come by this market. Let me show you what it is. My first impression that it was some kind of a, I don't know, a corner store in the middle of nowhere, not the best place in the whole world to find. So, I was greeted at that store by a gentleman with a baby in his arms, with a smile and everything. The place didn't look like, it was clean, but didn't look like a high-end place or even average.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Bridgeport Avenue.
Sorry, navigation still has to tell me where to go. So anyway, the gentleman was offering me basically to buy coffee, to help me to find something. That's not even an Apple store. That's I don't know even. It's funny to me because it's ridiculous. I said I want a cup of coffee. He says I only have Keurig, the machine, whatever. I'm like, how about a bathroom? He's like, sure, no problem. Go straight there, this door, and you'll see a bathroom right there. I had to buy a cup of coffee from him. Regardless. Anyway, we're right around the corner. Okay, and another one is going to port. I like the name of this guy's company. Beat Transportation. Loaded this thing up with extra tires, extra engine,